I remember a scripture from Timothy, sabi doon, darating ang panahon na ayaw na ng mga tao makinig sa tamang turo. Gusto lang nila yung maganda sa pandinig nila. Kaya pipili sila ng mga guro na magsasabi na ayon sa gusto nila. Tatalikod sila sa katotohanan at susunod sa kasinungalingan.
There's a scripture from Timothy. There will come a time that they won't listen through or to sound judgment, and instead they will follow what they desire and what they want. They will look or find for teachers that teach nothing but that what they want to hear. They will not listen to the truth, but instead they will place their attention to nonsense things or myths.
So right now, nangyayari na to. Sobrang nakakatakot na ang mundo ngayon.
So right now, this is already happening. The world is becoming a very scary place.
That's why as a Christian, isa ka, our goal is not just to be a good person, but to make Jesus Christ known to every.
If you are one, our goal is not just to be a good person, but to make Jesus Christ known to everyone.
Kasi if a person truly knows Christ, hindi niya maiisip na pumatay, magnakaw, o mangurako.
Because if a person truly knows Christ, they won't even entertain the thought of killing. They won't want to steal or hoard things for their own welfare.
Instead, he will do what glorifies God and avoid the things that does not glorify God.
They will do things that will glorify God, and they will avoid things that does not glorify God.
We're all guilty of sin. Walang perfect sa atin.
We are all guilty of sin. None of us is perfect.
And that's why we have to seek Jesus Christ every day.
That's why we have to seek Jesus Christ every day.
Charlie just stood for the truth and he died because of that. Same happened with the apostles. They died because of the gospel.
Charlie Kirk stood for the truth and he died because of that. Same thing happened to the apostles. They died because of the gospel, their belief in Jesus.
Malungkot dito, some of the people ay nagse-celebrate pa. Yung iba naman sinasabi na sana kay ganito na lang daw nangyari yan.
The sad part is some of the people are even celebrating. And some would even give a different scenario of it should have just happened like this.
Imagine if those people truly know Christ, masasabi ba nila yung mga ganitong bagay?
If those people truly know Christ, would they even say those things that they say?
What would Jesus think? So
honestly, what would Jesus think?
again, as a Christian, hindi lang tayo para maging mabuting tao lang. Hindi rin tayo para mang-condemn or mang-down ng ibang tao.
As Christians, we're not just here to be good people. We're not here to condemn or put people down.
Our goal ay maipakilala si Kristo sa lahat and mag-stand sa katotohanan.
The goal is to introduce Christ to everybody and to stand for the truth.